Hey y'all, so in the previous video, I actually went over the equation that I think I came up with to escape poverty. And in that, if you want to see that video, go to my page, like, follow, because I'm going to keep giving this content. And like in algebra, with any equation, you need to prove it, right? So in this equation, we're going to start putting in and plugging in some of the numbers so that we can try to see if this equation is real. And the easiest way to do that is to just try to figure out how can I get $1 with this equation. Now, if you actually follow what's going on here, right here, this is how much money we needed, big M. This big M is $1. If you look over here at T, I want to figure out how can I get $1 today. I will spend all day trying to figure out how to get this $1, okay? Now, if I ask you, if you would spend 24 hours trying to find $1, and I ask you, can you do it? I promise you, 99.99% of y'all would say yes. If you spent all day trying to get $1. You can ask your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your neighbor, the mailman, the Starbucks barista, whoever it is, you can find that dollar if you spent all day trying to figure it out, right? And if E equals mc squared plus momentum times the speed of light squared, then we just need to, this is just the energy required to get this, right? Because then if money is energy, then that means 1 equals 1. So that means this, the big M, has to equal this equation, right? But then I'm trying to figure out how much time it's going to take for me to do that. But if I know I want to spend all day just trying to get this $1, then I already know what T is. If all three of these things, if this is light, this is time, this is energy, and all three of these things, right, is E in another form, and all these three E's equals this 1M, and energy also equals money, then if you watch my previous video on when I was saying why is the speed of light squared when light goes through a 3D space and not a 2D space, then the answer is here because I'm multiplying how much energy times energy times energy. So energy times energy times energy, right? It's in a 3D space. You can't use money anywhere outside of anything else besides physical, right? It has to be physical. So when we're trying to figure out how can I manifest physical abundance in my reality, we need to figure out how much energy is going to be required from me. If we know the time, then we put the time there. And we know where our mental state has to be. It has to be Christ consciousness. It has to be at the speed of light. The only thing that can really bring your mind to Christ consciousness is knowing that everything that you need is already within you. You already have it. You just have to shorten the distance and the time or whatever it is, right? So then instead of putting the actual number of what speed of light is, put what does consciousness moving at the speed of light gives you. It gives you infinite value. It gives you abundance, right? So here we know C may not be speed of light, whatever that number may be. It's actually infinity. And the goal now, right, is to try to get one of these things by itself. Whatever we're trying to figure out, we need to get it by itself. So since we already know T, we just, and this is multiplications, we're going to divide T, since we know it's 1 day, by 1, right, on both sides of the equal sign. So